Several herbs are known for their potential to help with bad breath due to their natural antibacterial properties and pleasant scents. Here are some herbs that are commonly used. Mint. Mint leaves, especially peppermint and spearmint, are well known for freshening breath. They contain menthol, which has antibacterial properties. Parsley. Parsley is rich in chlorophyll, which can help neutralize bad odors and freshen breath. Basil. Basil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight the bacteria causing bad breath. Cilantro leaves can help combat bad breath due to their strong aroma and antibacterial properties. Rosemary contains cineole, a compound that helps to eliminate bad breath and fight oral bacteria. Sage has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce the bacteria in the mouth responsible for bad breath. Thyme contains thymol, which has antiseptic properties that can help with bad breath. Fennel seeds can be chewed to help freshen breath, as they have antibacterial properties and a pleasant aroma. Using these herbs in cooking as teas or chewing them directly can help improve breath freshness. Several herbs are believed to promote hair growth and improve hair health due to their stimulating and nourishing properties. Here are some commonly recommended herbs. Rosemary. Known for stimulating hair growth, rosemary can improve circulation to the scalp, which can promote hair growth. It can be used as an essential oil mixed with a carrier oil or as an infusion. Aloe vera. While not an herb in the traditional sense, aloe vera is commonly used to treat hair loss. It contains enzymes that can promote healthy hair growth. Peppermint oil is thought to increase blood flow to the scalp and stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Rich in silica and selenium, horsetail can strengthen hair and improve its growth. It can be taken as a supplement or used in hair products. Ginseng is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation and increasing the number of dermal papilla cells. Lavender oil has antimicrobial properties and can improve scalp health, which can promote hair growth. It also has a calming effect that can reduce stress, which can be a factor in hair loss. Often used in treating hair loss, saw palmetto can help block the enzyme that converts testosterone to DHT, a compound linked to hair loss. Bringraj. Known as the king of herbs for hair, bringraj can promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. It can be used as an oil or in hair masks. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds contain proteins and nicotinic acid, which are beneficial for hair growth and can help rebuild hair follicles. Nettle. Nettle is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for hair growth. It can be taken as a supplement or used as a rinse. These herbs can be used in various forms such as essential oils, infusions, hair masks, or supplements. Consistency and proper application are key to seeing results.